Hello, welcome to my channel once again. The Lord bless you. I'm excited to see you here. Thank you for visiting my channel. We are continuing with our topic, the danger of food, part 3. We've done part 1 of the danger of food, part 1. We did part 3. We did part 2 rather. And now we are doing part 3. And this part 3, I think everyone needs to hear this. Please, before we dive into the topic proper, do me a favor, please. Kindly hit the like button now. The reason why YouTubers always solicit plea for likes on their videos is because the more the likes the video has, the more it will give YouTube opportunity, to advertise the videos to those who are not even subscribed to the channel. You get it? So the more the likes, the more people will see the video. So please, before you proceed, if that is the only way you are supporting me, God bless you, hit the like button. Now, we are on the part 3 today on the danger of food. And what we are going to be looking at on this part 3 is how bad eating habits affect your finances. How bad eating habits affect your savings. How bad eating habit has wrecked a lot of people financially. How bad eating habit can affect your finances. Beloved, I have seen some persons in life. When you look at them, there is no single investment they can boast of. There are some persons who have been working over the years. They've been working over the years. They are hardworking. They are not lazy work. They are hardworking, doing good job. But if you ask them question for the past 5 years, for the past 10 years you've been working, what have you been able to achieve? They can't tell. Many folks today, their greatest enemy is not one demon in their village. Their greatest enemy is not the devil. Their greatest enemy is their stomach. You know why? Whatever comes into their hand, whenever money comes to them, the first thing they think of is what to eat. The only mindset they have is mindset of consumption, what to eat, not what to invest. If you eat, if you spend whatever money that comes to you, you spend it by consumption, you are not a wise person. I have seen folks who take pleasure whenever money comes to them. This is common, it's a part in Nigeria. Whenever money comes to them, what gives them joy, what gives them excitement is this: they want to gather friends. Let's locate the latest restaurant in town. Some irresponsible men, they want to take their friends out, they want to get them drinks, alcohol, let them drink to stupor, buy drinks, There are men today, number one, their own family are not well fed at home. They can't boast of one investment. But out there, the money that comes to them, they always take their friends to the best restaurant in town, to the best bar in town to go and drink. Let me pray a prayer for you. Sometimes rather, it's a counselor. It's not a prayer. It's a prayer you should pray for yourself. Sometimes the best prayer you can pray for yourself is this: may the people, the folks that help me to spend my money, may the people that how will I put it, that joined me or assisted me to spend my money, to eat my money, may they not be the one that will ask me, what did I do with my money? Nobody will celebrate you for the numbers of friends you take out to the latest restaurant. Nobody will celebrate you for how many times you go to the best restaurant, or how many for the best restaurant you have gone to in life. No. But you'll be celebrated for your achievement, outstanding achievement that can be seen. Many people today, they are wrecked because whenever money comes to them, is what they want to eat, what they want to consume. As the money comes to their hand, the next place it goes to their mouth through the latest restaurant. As money comes to their hand, it goes to their mouth through the latest thing, the food they will eat. End up in their stomach, end up in the toilet. A lot of persons who have been working, doing good work for the past 10 years, past 5 years, that cannot boast of one achievement. Well, to me, they have achieved something. Yeah, what they have achieved is in the toilet. By the things they keep consuming without a single myself investing anything, ended up in their stomach, and today's in the toilet. Do not be too conscious of what you eat when money comes to you. It is stupidity to spend. Whenever money comes to you, you keep consuming. No, you keep consuming. Eat. You keep consuming. Latest restaurant. Some person, you are making friends happy by taking them to the latest restaurant, not with your family. Latest you. Listen to me. Even taking your own family, plan your life. Yes, you can make your kids happy. In terms of family, I used to be a victim of this. I used to be a victim. When money come, I like making my family happy. It's good. Do it once in a while. It should not be always. Do it once in a while. It shouldn't be a consistent thing. Out of that money you are spending always going to the restaurant, the best restaurant. Limit it. If you used to go to the best restaurant 4 times a week or twice a week, let it be once in a week. It can be once in 2 weeks. The rest was save them for an investment. When your investment is standing, that investment will build you to build your family. A lot of folks this is what I've experienced, this is what I have seen. Maybe today they are wrecked, they are bankrupt. What wrecked them is their stomach. What wrecked them is what I call stomach infrastructure. Nothing wreck a person. Nothing wreck a person in life like bad eating habit. Nothing wreck a person. If you are in this category, beloved, make an amend. That thing you think you cannot eat, that if you don't eat it, you will die. Hey, I used to know a lady. Gosh. Sorry, ladies, please. I'm just sorry. Oh, Jesus. Oh God. You will hear I say, I don't play with my stomach. Oh, I'm sorry, please. Oh God. I don't play with my stomach. Too conscious of what to eat. This person I'm talking about, she can fight anyone because of food. Oh God. Wait, have you seen folks like that? They can fight even a child because of food. Food addiction sometimes is not a good thing. Please, that thing you think, whenever money comes to your hand, the first thing you think to go and eat, you must consume that, you must eat. Do you understand? Listen to me. If you don't eat it, you will not die. It might just be what the devil has made you addicted to. I've seen folks like that.